Hi guys! I would like to share with you our Tingloy Island experience. And nag-commute lang kami. So tuturuan ko kayo paano pumunta doon. From SM Fairview, you can ride a jeep or an e-jeep. And the fare is 40 pesos. Then baba kayo sa West Kamias. From there, sasakay kayo ng another jeep going to Jamliner. Just let the driver know na sa Jamliner lang kayo bababa and sasabihin naman niya kung saan yung tamang babaan at maglalakad na lang kayo ng kaunti or tatawid. Then, from there, sasakay kayo ng Batangas Pier pero bababa kayo sa Grand Terminals. And this is the Grand Terminal. So, dyan kami binaba. Then, ikot lang, lakad pa ikot lang dyan ng kaunti. Sasakay kayo ng anilao jeep. Bandang left side. The fare is 70 pesos hanggang Anilao Port. From Anilao Port, going to Tingloy, you have to ride a ferry. Almost an hour, I think. 45 minutes to an hour lang naman yung biyahe. Then, I also included here yung mga schedules sa Tingloy Port. Kasi may mga specific schedule lang sila. And the fare is 160 pesos each. And meron pang other fees like environmental fees and garbage bond. So, kapag nabalik mo yung eco bag with a plastic bag or any recyclable materials, ibabalik sa iyo yung 100 pesos mo. And this is the ticket for Tingloy Ferry. This is the garbage bond. And environmental fee is 100 pesos. Ayan, papunta na kami sa ferry. And this is my first time. Are you excited?
I'm kind of nervous. It's my first time.
How about you?
Hi! I'm so pagod, but...
So, sakay na kami dito sa Big Bangka.
Big po.
Meron na po. We're kind of pagod during that time kasi sobrang haba ng biyahe. And right after shift talaga kami bumiyahe papunta sa Tingloy. Just to make sure na matutuloy yung gala na to. And this is my first time to ride the ferry. Usually kasi bangka-bangka lang. Pero para lang naman siya malaking bangka. So, after a couple of minutes, andito na kami sa Tingloy Island. So, sa mga tourists sa right side, pupunta and some officers will ask kung anong transient ang pupuntahan. Then, iga-guide ka naman nila. And, ang transient naman na puntahan namin is free ride ang tricycle going to Masasa Beach. So, going back and forth, free lang yung tricycle namin on the first day. And the good thing about it is may signal kami since malapit lang kami sa Tingloy Port. So going to Masasa, we rode the tricycle and siguro around 5 to 10 minutes yung biyahe. Ang time lapse.
Okay.
So nandito na kami guys.
Kasi si Kali ng panty.
Si Kali walang panty.
Kali na walang shirt.
Ikaw din anak, di ba?
May shirt po ako. At least may panty.
So you have to go down the hill para makita ang Masasa Beach. And it's really worth it. Our long travel time is so worth it. During that day na dumating kami, it's Friday, wala pa masyadong tao. Kami nung mga moment na yan, umaura-aura dahil hindi naman nakakahiya. Char! So ito siya, ang ganda niya, diba? Siguro mga, 5 p.m. And ayan, tamang araw-araw and lakad-lakad lang kami dyan. Alam nyo, grabing linaw ng tubig, nakakatuwa. Hindi siya mabato pero marami siyang corals. Kaya kung meron kayong swimming shoes, it's better. Para na rin sa safety nyo. And that's our first day and that's the end of my video how to go to Tingloy Island or to Masasa Beach, Tingloy Island. On the next video, I will share our island hopping experience. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.